Karen spotted.
Hey, Ruth. The entire city's over here trying to help you, okay? Maybe a thank you would be in store.
Now you better thank me.
For what?
You're not getting any of your bills paid for my
I
alarm
have to record this
system
for my
either.
boss. I'm sorry.
That's right.
Check it again.
How many times do you want me to spray it?
As many as you feel like it.
How many times? Okay.
About 3 times.
1, 2.
You do it over
3.
here too, on this one.
Madam, I know what I'm doing. I got hired for a reason.
You know, you fucking guys, man. I swear to God.
Madam.
Satan's 666, hey, all right?
Listen.
Madam, it's not bubbling.
Check this one. Mm-hmm. All right.
Okay, are we good?
All right, we're good there.
So
Push everything where it was.
Throw them back in because you're pulling it out.
You're no help at all. No courtesy at all. You push it right back where it was.
Negative.
Push it back, honey.
We're good to go, bud.
all right,
You
thank
don't
you.
have to be subject to this abuse.
Yeah, well, I'm being abused too,
No,
smart
every
asses.
man can't
You're
be
all
held.
smart asses.
Have a nice day, Ruth. We're leaving.
Yeah, fuck you.
I got it. I'll do it. I got you.
I hope to God you never have to get a pregnant woman. Huh? You'll probably let her die, wouldn't you?
Look at that gentleman right there, huh? Thank you, sir.
Yeah, I'm calling him back too. You better make sure it's aligned right. There's a bracket on the floor.
Madam, I was here an hour ago.
This guy gotta wear the damn fucking mask.
I'm wearing a mask. You're not wearing a mask. You're not wearing a mask. I'm wearing a mask. I'm going to fucking Vegas. I'm wearing a mask. What do you want from me? I'm wearing a fucking mask.
What is that?
I'm wearing a mask. Bye. What do you want from me? I'm wearing a mask.
Oh my God.
You get it fuck out.
You're not going to do that. Bye.
Oh, she wears that now.